Every time I get a new package, I feel like it's Christmas.
Hey YouTube. So my room is currently under construction. Okay, yes, it is under construction real bad because I want to turn this corner right here into a content outfit of the day corner. Now, yesterday I took out this right here, this long chest, whatever you want to call it, and put it from there to over here because I have a vision that I want to fulfill, and let's see if we fulfill it. If we fulfill it, I'm going to post a video. If we don't fulfill it, I'm not going to post a video. So yeah, this is how it's looking. It's very small, but I want to do outfit of the day in this corner. It's very popular on Instagram, and I'm slowly upgrading my equipment. Like last year I had bought my gimbal, which a lot of people ask me about. How do I get the camera to follow me? This is how. Now I have it set up on a tripod because it was set up on the chest, but let's see how this comes out. And yeah, so I've been watching a bunch of videos trying to get like some type of inspiration, and my inspiration is like all over the place. So this is what I'm thinking now. It may change, okay? So this is where I do my podcast reviewing. Don't mind all this stuff. Remember, my room is under construction, so please excuse it, right? But now I'm thinking of putting this over here, but more of a higher to 4 type of leveling, because I normally do my outfit of the day right here. So this is normally like in the background, but this dresser with all this stuff is like killing me every day. So I feel like that would give it a nice clean look. Let's try it out and see. What's the worst that could happen? The worst that could happen is I don't like it. So this is the update right now, guys. Don't mind my plastic garbage bags because we in the middle of changing our seasons closets. So yeah, but I had took the firewall down because I realized it makes more sense to put the curtain here, since this is going to be more of a wider part, and put the firewall going down here. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this back over here because I ordered another firewall. So this is going to go back to the way it was. And I ordered a OOTD sign too, which I want to go on a firewall that's coming. But I just wanted to show you how it looks right now currently. And we making progress. We getting somewhere. Alright guys, I got a problem. The rack I bought is huge. Like, it almost didn't even make it through my door. And it's completely going to cover this whole entire corner, which is why I'm just like, I don't know what to do with it. Like, it's beautiful. It's gonna fit a lot of stuff. But what do you do with it? What do you do with this thing? And then like the rest of my room is like full. Like, my room is still under construction, so please, this is not normally how my room looks. But I'm in the middle of doing all of this stuff. So yeah. I don't know what to do. Okay, guys, I fixed the problem, and here is the finishing touch. It came out so beautiful. Like, I am literally obsessed. Like, you know that voiceover? Like, I'm obsessed. So, I put my belt collection right here. Then I have my button-ups here. I'm going to fix this eventually. Just not right now. I had to get rid of my nightstand to be able to put this here, which I'm okay with. Change is change, you know. I've got my jeans down here. I got my jeans down here, which is beautiful. These are not all my jeans. I still have summer jeans, and I don't think they're going to fit, but it is what it is. Then I got some shoes that I never wear here. I only wore like each of these shoes once, so, but they look nice. It goes with the aesthetic. And what I did was I put like a wallpaper at the bottom because I really did not like that like metal look. Like, I didn't like it. So, and then I don't know what I'm going to put up here yet. I don't know what I'm going to put up here yet. And this sound was so hard to find, but we did it. I'm so proud of myself. Shout outs to me. My room looks so much better. I still have some stuff over there that I need to like go through and things like that because the weather's just at a weird spot. But now that this corner is done and out the way, I feel so much better, guys. Like, this came out so beautiful. Literally how I pictured in my little head. And I'm just happy. So, yeah, I will definitely leave the links to everything down below, as always. And thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any questions, comment below and let me know. And I will see you guys in my next video.
Let's cheerio to another video.